Para siyang kumakain ka sa Japanese restaurant. 35,000 up. Not bad. Ang bilis ha. Okay, story time tayo. Bakit sa Japan na QR para mas madali? Everything just works and it's like sobrang happy. Okay guys, so it's my first time flying JAL and syempre natutuwa ako. Ikukwento ko sa inyo and I'm going to tell you all about my flight and bakit ako lipad with JAL this time. And we already checked in, so JAL's flight will always be here. Then I paid my airport tax and then yun! And that's it, we got our boarding pass. It's my luggage tag. This is the we got 1C. So excited! Mababaw ako guys, pero alam mo po minsan katuwaan ko yan. Okay, muna cross immigrations, no cameras. So guys, yung lounge mo, yung Sakura lounge will be at beside Little Flower. Diyan siya. So cute, diba? Look, it's here. So guys, ito yung food nila here. So they have rice, and then their famous curry. Diba? And they even have miso soup. Cute. And guys, meron pa silang chicken teriyaki. O, diba? So, ito try natin kung masarap yan. And then may cream Danish. And then may banana bread pa sila. And of course, meron ka pang drinks. And coffee. And then definitely you have all of the different soft drinks. O, diba? Ganun siya. So, let's try it out. So, I got their curry, their ever famous curry. Siyempre, bumubulong ako kasi bawal masyado maingay sa lounge, guys. And then, meron ka pang chicken teriyaki. So, let's try it out. Tingnan natin kung mas masarap yung sa ANA or sa JAL na chicken curry. Beef curry pala. Pero ito maraming beef. Yung sa ANA kasi hindi masyado maraming beef. Yung sa ANA parang konting beef. Pero marami siyang sauce. Okay, so try natin. Ang soft ng beef. So, mas marami, if you're going to notice, well, wala namang ANA na lounge sa Manila, guys. Pero sa Narita, meron siya. So, ang lambot ng beef, it's so good. Okay, masarap. Next, try the chicken. Ayan. Soft. Okay. May ilang parts dry, pero soft pa rin siya. Overall. So, good. Pero maraming tao sa lounge today. As in, ang daming tao. Pero your food selection niya ang konti lang. Pero feel ko quality. And ito naman yung pinaka-importante. Diba? I'm so happy na finally na-try ko na lahat ng mga curries nila. So may ANA ka na. And may JAL. Pero ang init ng lounge. Medyo mainit dito, guys. Guys, eto na. We're here. And, in fairness, malaki yung look mo here. Oh, this is like my first time riding Japan Airlines and I'm kind of happy. And this is a Boeing 787-800. So this is a Dreamliner. So makita mo siya usually sa mga elements. And in fairness, ito, medyo tago ka kasi like yung katabi mo, meron glass, may screen here na medyo hindi mo makikita. I'll tour you around all the different features of the seat. Wide naman siya as you can see, diba? Oh, I also have things that they will give you like slippers. Kunin natin. Slippers. It's like a JAL slippers with a shoe hook. You have your earphones. And you have your blanket. So your TV is so big. Tingnan mo. Oh. And then here, may ottoman ka. And then yung bag mo, pwede mo ilagay dyan sa harapan. Well, I ordered the food kasi meron silang parang book the cook ng Singapore Airlines. But, I'll just share this to you para at least makita nyo na. So may mga champagne, beverage. And then, oh, I got this, the Washoku cuisine. It's my international cuisine din siya. So later, yan yung food natin. O, diba? Then, here will be all of your controls. Diba? So, pwede mag-lay flat yan. And then here, pwede mag-pop out to. Kasi pwede mo i-click in English. This will control your TV or your in-flight entertainment. It's called their Magic 6. Diba? Later. Ayaw pa. Bawal pa natin panoorin. Later natin And then dito, pwede mo nalagay gamit mo, like your small bag, may mga magazines rin sila here. And then, guys, nandito yung saksakan mo, USB, and then your earphones, or earplugs. You have your reading lamp here as well. O, diba? Natutuwa ako. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, guys, na kasama ko yun na naman dito. Alam niyo naman na I'm always, lagi ko yung hinahatak sa mga ganito ko. And I hope na enjoy niyo yung mga ganitong content. Siyempre, alam niyo naman na we don't usually ride the business class. But if we do, diba, it's memorable. Kasi if you remember, I took the JAL na economy last year. Yun talaga, I agree, they have the best economy seats. By far, maganda talaga. Kaya kahit economy ng JAL, ang ganda. Yung Dreamliner, kung nakita mo yung bintana, ayan o, yung shade niya, hindi siya yung binababa. Parang touch siya, yan, ganyan yung Japan Airline. And if you see the seating, hindi ko nakikita katabi ko kung nakaupo ako dito. Diba, parang may wall ako here. So, hindi ko nakikita masyado yung beside ko. Ganun yung ginawa ng Japan Airlines na business class. Kaya maganda kasi you don't see the person. And, diba, usually yun yung gusto mo, yung privacy. And then the screen can fold up. So, later, I'm sure, if fold up na yung screen, yun nga lang yung side mo dito. Like dito, oh, kita yung aisle, diba? Pero, okay lang, diba? It's okay. Okay, guys. So, ito yung remote. Tulog ako. Okay, so ito yung remote mo. Just watch whatever movie you want. Pero depende kung ano movie meron. And then, ayan na. That's pulling it up. Finally. Teka to. Yes, perfect. So, yun yung remote dyan. Ipupull up na lang. Ay, bawal. Sa gamble yan. Bawal yan. Sorry. Ayan, nakita nyo. Pull up. And then, just play all of your different movies. For example, ganyan, guys. Yan. Taran! Oh, diba? Cute! Laki ng TV, diba? And see, nakita nyo, guys, with that, oh, it's up na. It's really private, diba? As in, you don't see anyone already. Privacy is key for them. So, you have your little corner, and then you can move your seats. Everything's just reclining. Oh, diba? Everything just works. And it's like, sobrang happy. I'm just so happy that I'm able to share this with you. Ooh, cute naman yung blanket nila. Ciao. And the little red mark of JAL. Cute. Those little touches really makes a difference. If you're asking, yes, there's a plug. And tingnan nyo, guys, lagi ako may plug dito. So I put it in my whole bag. And then nandito yung ako, merong may nag-a-atune sa plane, guys, naririnig ko. So, just a reminder, whenever you're traveling, meron naman ko mga mask na dala, so if ever, buti medyo malayo. But just a reminder, especially if you are with, let's say, elders, I always recommend wear a mask up. Kung masyadong crowded yung areas. And here's the plug, and pwede ko i-charge yung phone. Charging. O, diba? They're giving warm towels. So, alam mo, meal service na. Tingnan natin. I'm checking if may Wi-Fi. Oh, ayan, may Wi-Fi. Tingnan natin if we can connect to Wi-Fi. Yes. May connect to the internet. Taran! Meron. Okay, let's see. Flight plan. So may 1-hour plan. There's a 1-hour, 3-hour, and then a flight plan. And it's discounted for JAL card holders. So I'm trying to connect to the free 1-hour. Oh, total cost 0. Ayan, you are connected. Speed test natin siya. There you go. Not the fastest, but I think it's okay. Wait lang, try natin. Hintayin natin siya. 40 plus, oh. Not bad. Okay. I'll try the Japanese. Arigato.
The Japanese view.
Yes, correct. Thank you. Okay, ito yung speed niya, guys. Not bad. Ang bilis, ha? 53. Pero magtatanong tayo kung meron pang free na internet plan pa dito. Baka naman may free bonus para lahat matagal lang internet plan. Kasi, di ba? Pero not bad. And I also got drinks na. The table has been set. Cute. These are the little details that will make jal. Diba? Those are the details that I always look for. Feeling ko, guys, sa tagal ko kasi sa customer experience, alam nyo na, blanket, napkin. Diba? Cute. Diba? This is it. Let's try the wine. I got the Japanese wine. Not bad. And the crackers that we know of. Hi, arigato. And their JAL signature juice. Guys, before anything else pala, gusto ko rin sabihin sa inyo na bakit mahilig ako or why do I like to shoot this kind of content. It's because I do love aviation. I'm an AV geek talaga and I'm a sucker for aircrafts, mga hard products as they call it, like yung merong TV or the features, the seat, the reclining, and then I'm also a sucker for soft products like the service. But I'm the type of person na sinasabi ko nga rin sa friend ko, napapanood niya sa vlog nila, Tofu, na hindi rin naman ako yung type na person that is very critical when it comes to na parang, oh my God, dapat ganito, dapat laging perfect. The food should be, I mean, I can give some slack on some areas, but I will note of it. I will take note of it. The good thing here is buti na lang may mga promos, may mga miles, kaya nakakasakay rin tayo ng ganito. Yun. And I'm gonna try the JAL na peach and grape daw to na mix. Matamis. Unique yung taste niya, parang Japanese drink talaga siya, pero ang matamis siya for me. Typical crackers lang naman siya, guys. Arigato. Arigato. Ooh, I have my meal. I got the Japanese meal, guys. So, oh my God, this is so cute. This is the Japanese meal. So, may mga maliit kang mga bento, may mga fruits, fish, this is like pork, and then I also have a miso soup. Oh, diba? Try the miso soup tayo. Para siyang kumakain ka sa Japanese restaurant. 35,000 feet up the air. Guys, ang dami mo mga little food. So may mga beef. For example, you have fruits. This looks like tofu. Like veggies. Like may mga shrimp. This is like unagi. Di ba may unagi ka pa? Let's unbox. Rice. Cute. Let's try the pork, guys. Ang lambot. Grabe. Oishi. Ang sarap. It's dessert time. It's like ube. Sounds nice. It's so nice. It's a bit sweet, pero masarap. So now, ihihiga na natin siya flat. We will transition to a bed. Kasi, I want to higa. Flat na flat. O, diba? Flat na flat ka, guys. Like, it's really flat. Always remember, kahit mag-flat ka, ang kailangan nyo gawin, guys, blanket should always be, seatbelt should always be on top of your blanket, no matter what. Para lang makita nyo, guys, I'm 5'9", 5'10". So, kasyang-kasya ako. As in, naka-shoes pa ako dyan, ha? O, diba? Tapos pwede pang umakyat ng konti. Ganyan, na medyo recline lang ng konti. Ganyan, gagawin natin. Diba? Okay, story time tayo. Bakit natin to? So, for everyone's benefit, this is the Japan Airlines na binook ko. So, it's a Manila, Tokyo, Manila na flight. So, nagkaroon ng promo kasi si Visa Infinite. So, this is for all Visa Infinite around ng mga September, October, o ganun time to. And then, if ever you book a flight, kailangan kasi, if taga-Philippines ka, Manila to Tokyo to Manila, tas kailangan business class siya. Now, if you book one flight, round trip, you can apply for a fast track on the Japan Mileage Bank status and magiging One World Sapphire member ka. One World Sapphire member, you get extra luggage, priority check-in, priority baggage, you get one guest free sa lounge access mo basta One World Group Airlines like Malaysian Airlines, Japan Airlines, Cathay Pacific. And then, extra bag pa. Diba? May extra bag ka. Let's say, one piece of luggage ka agad yan on top of whatever is allotted for your airfare. And then, so, I usually try to achieve the status for Cathay Pacific, yung silver nila. Pero yung silver nila, ano lang yun, ruby status lang yan. Hindi ako pwede mag-lounge sa other One World Airlines, hindi ako pwede mag-plus one luggage on the other One World Airlines, only for Cathay Pacific lang. So parang sabi ko, oy, parang magandang deal to. I'll just have one round trip, then automatic 1 year status ka na ng for One World. Eh, lagi ako lumilipad ng Cathay. So, ang ginawa ko, okay, hindi ko na lang i-achieve yung sa Cathay for this year. Gagawin ko siya for, specifically for Japan Airlines na lang muna para One World pa rin siya. So, yun. And then, in-apply ko after 6 weeks, I was able to get the email and notification doon sa app ko na, oh, Emerald status na ako. So, that's why this is the airfare that I booked. Exacto, may planned trip kami with friends this February. So, dito ko binook yung Japan trip ko na to na Manila, Tokyo. That's why kailangan ko rin siya gamitin. Kasi if you don't fly it, ang mangyayari syempre, mababawi yung status mo. And if you try to achieve status kasi maraming flights yung kailangan mo liparin. Unlike dito, isa lang, fast track siya. That's why, for me, I took it. I'm not saying that everyone should get it, but if ever you are the type, let's say ako, very geek talaga ako, gusto ko matry yung mga status na to, gusto ko yung mga lounges na natutuwa ako ganyan every time. Natutuwa ako when I'm creating these videos. So sabi ko, okay, why not? Nag-allot ako ng budget specifically to fly this airlines and to meet that promo. And with that fast track na promo, ang ganda niya kasi ang bilis talaga. And it's like 1/5 or 1/8 of the whole cost that you're going to do if I have to meet it sa Cathay Pacific na Marco Polo Club member nila. So yun. So, ang haba na ng kwento ko, but I hope it's valuable for you. For this, in future promos, I'm sure meron pa rin yan. Kailangan nyo lang abangan. So, the card that I used there was the RCBC Visa Infinite. Kasi siya lang yung may Visa Infinite during that time. And that's the only card that I have na Visa Infinite. So, yon. Anyways, I'll put all of the resources down below as well para sa inyo. And I'll enjoy the rest of my flight. And we're in Tokyo, guys! Oh my gosh, look. Pokemon. Cute, diba, guys? Look. Welcome to Japan! Don't forget na meron ka rin dapat yung Visit Japan na QR para mas madali. Yung customs dapat na-fill up mo rin siya. I'll just put a photo here. And then, no cameras again. Guys, paglabas nyo, train, dyan kayo bababa. And guys, yan ang train. And then, you see Narita Express, yung NEX, that's the train. Yung NEX na yan. Yan ang sasakyan natin. So guys, dyan ka bibili kasi may NEX. Kasi ang NEX from Narita, it will go to Shinjuku. So yun yung sasakyan mo. And dapat, yung Narita Express, kasi didiretso siya doon. Last stop yun. So guys, ang Narita Express ako, tapos nag-green car ako kasi reserved seats yan. So yung ticket, I'll show you. So match mo lang yan, 12. And then the seat is also 12. And saan siya? Ayan, 12. So 12, car seat 1A.
Leave us know, because another train is passing.